Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel again. I hope you all are well. Guys, in this video I'll show you how you can easily fix your website PHP extension error. Here you can see I got an PHP error on my website. I found this error when I try to install a PHP script on my website. This is actually a PHP extension error. If you face this type of problem, then go to your website cpanel. Then find the software section and you will see the select PHP version option. Click on it. Guys, if you are new to this channel, then try to subscribe this channel to stay this channel. If you are already subscribed this channel, then thanks to you. Okay, after that you will find this type of page. Then find the extension option and open it. Here you can see my current PHP version 7.4 and some extensions are selected and some are not. So from this extension list, find your extension, which extension error is showing on your website. My missing extension was fileinfo. Here you can see my fileinfo extension is deselected. For this reason, I got the error on my website. Now I'm selecting the extension. Okay, done. Here you can see success notification. Now if I go to my website and refresh the page, okay, here you can see the error is fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your website PHP extension error. I hope you find this video helpful. If you are, please click on the like button. If you have any question, please comment below. Subscribe now to stay this channel. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.